Which notation should you use? There is no preference, as both notations are accepted. However, it is highly recommended to be familiar with both. I tell you why. First, it's easier and faster to communicate with other international musicians. And during the rehearsals, you won't face any communication issues. This is important especially for those who want to study professionally in music further. Second, for singing and solfeggio, D'Arezzo's notation is preferred. In most choirs, you sing in do, re, mi, fa, sol. And third, the music theory is based on Boethius' notation, especially the harmony known as chords C, D, E, M will be written in Latin letters. Which notation do you learn in our course? According to my teaching experience, the students I taught in both notation at the same time started playing much faster and had much easier time in music exams. I don't want to deprive you of that. You will learn both notations here, Boethius and D'Arezzo's, at the same time. And now, let's begin with your first lesson. To enjoy the full access, sign up for the course and get the books now. See you there!